Hello there. Welcome to class. I'm Miss Faust. Are you ready? You're going for what? We have a test today. Remember the test over James Thurber and Anna Hampstead Branch and their wonderful writings, a story and a poem. You remembered and you prepared yourself. Fantastic. So do you have your paper out? You do. You have a pen and pencil. Great. So come on over here to the board. Follow me. This is what I need you to do. I need you to set up your paper as a test paper. Yes, like we did in the past. So this is what I need to see. At the top of your paper, I need to see the word test. No, you don't have to write this. All I need is test for the title. That's it. So I know when you email your assignment to me today, I'll know it's the test. Thurber and Branch. Okay? Great. So just write test. And then we have 5 items here. Question statements. I need you to copy them. Yes, you need to copy them. So you may want to put a pause to the video or however you want to do it, but you need to copy them. I don't want to see number 1 and the answer. Number 2, the answer. I need to see what is number 1 and then, and only then, your answer. So make sure you copy these 5 items. We'll get to the daily question shortly. Okay? So does everyone understand what to do for the test? Okay, for the test paper, the title test, and that you need to copy everything up here. Okay, so you are all set? Okay, let me read the items to you. Here we go. Number 1, share 2 facts that I mentioned about Thurber and Branch. So 2 facts about Thurber and 2 about Branch. So you'll have a total of 4 sentences, you could say. If you want to write more than 4 sentences, that's fine. Okay, so that means 4 facts, a sentence per fact. Okay, but if you want to write 5, 6, because you know so much, that's fantastic. Just as long as I see these 2 here and 2 here. Now, please note, 2 facts that I mentioned. As I told you in the class periods before today's session, this is not a research paper, please. Please, folks, don't tell me the inside and out of Thurber's life. I just want to see something that you remember, that you included in your notes about Thurber and Branch. That's it. Okay, don't tell me Branch went to this and this workshop and taught at that writer's workshop and then went to this and this conference and people really were impressed with our work. No. Okay, so review your notes. Review the videos. Okay, so that's the key here. Facts that I mentioned. Share 2 facts that I mentioned. You did, huh? Okay. Number 2, we start with Thurber's story. How do the tasks, in other words, the duties, the jobs, of Walter's daily life compare to those of his fantasy life? Remember the secret life of Walter Mitty? Okay. So how do the jobs, the duties of his everyday life compared to those in his fantasy, his dream world? Okay. In what ways is Walter's final daydream a comment on his fate in real life? So think back. What is his final daydream? The final one that we know about. Okay, I've talked about, I've definitely covered this and even the rest down here. So if you took notes, wow. Okay. Branch's poem. What type of warrior is the speaker? Talk to me. Tell me. Is she the type of warrior that's full of fears? Not confident in herself? Scared? Really doesn't want to be a warrior? What do we learn in the poem? The poem. Base it on the poem. Not the historical aspects. Okay? That shared with you. And then finally, what did the speaker do before she became a warrior? What did she do? Okay. Do you have any questions about any of these items? No? Can't think of any right now? But if you should come up with a question, you're not quite sure about something, or you're having problems reading any of this, please let me know. So contact me. Okay? Please contact me. And finally, here's your daily question. Would you rather be a famous writer or a famous performer? Which one? Famous writer, leave a legacy of hundreds of wonderful books, or a performer, concerts, one after another. People get excited. There's another CD out. So which would you rather be? And if you like, you can share why. Why would you rather be a famous writer? Why would you rather be a famous performer? Let me know why. Okay? So, folks, again, this is your test. Okay? Make sure on your test paper you have the word test. I don't need to see that. That's okay. All right? And that you have all 5. Please make sure I see this. And only then your sentences. So in a sentence, when it says 4 sentences total, it's 4 facts. Okay? Being, one, each fact is 1 sentence. Okay? So remember that. Sentences, folks. Please don't give me 3-4 words for your answers. I don't want to have to put it together and figure out what you're thinking. Write sentences, please. Subject, verb, and the rest. Adjectives, prepositions, and conjunctions, and all that. Okay. Yeah, good review of the parts of speech. Oh, you got it. Okay. So please remember, use sentences. Don't give me just words. When it says, what did the speaker do before? Gardening. What? See? Yeah, there you go. Okay. So here we are. These 5. So write everything down and then follow up with the answers. And don't forget this. Okay. When you're done with it all, send it on off to me today. And I wish you a very happy day. Lots of luck. Okay. Till next time. Bye-bye.